Today I want to show you a truth that most people don't notice. Soil is actually much more than you think. It's not just a surface you walk on. It's a living system that breathes and heals itself. But we have been treating it the wrong way for years. We force it with chemicals, we keep digging it, exhausting it, and then we wonder why productivity is decreasing. Yet, hundreds of years ago, people worked with nature instead of against it. And here's the interesting part. Without using any artificial fertilizers, without building expensive systems, they were producing much more efficiently. Because they understood one thing: nature already works perfectly. Now imagine a forest. No one goes there to spread fertilizer, no one plows the soil, no one installs irrigation systems, yet every year it becomes stronger and more alive. So why is that? Because nature works in cycles. Every fallen leaf, every dry branch, every decomposing piece becomes food for the soil again. In nature, there's no such thing as waste. You can build the same system in your own small garden. What you actually need to do is very simple. Instead of forcing the soil, protect it. Don't leave it bare, cover it, and create your own cycle. Think about your kitchen waste, vegetable scraps, tea residue, eggshells. Most people throw them away, but in reality, they are the soil's greatest treasure. If you place them on the soil, they break down over time and turn into perfect nutrients. And it's completely free. Another critical issue is digging the soil. Most people think it's beneficial, but the truth is, there's an invisible life beneath the soil. Millions of microorganisms working together with plant roots. Every time you dig the soil, you destroy that system. And without realizing it, you reduce productivity. So what's the solution? Reduce interference with the soil. Let it function naturally, but support it the right way. For example, covering the soil with straw or dry grass. This simple action reduces moisture loss, decreases the need for watering, and eventually turns into natural fertilizer. One action, three benefits. Another common mistake is planting a single crop. Only tomatoes, only peppers. This goes completely against nature, because nature requires diversity. Plants actually help each other. Some repel pests, some enrich the soil, some provide shade. When you create the right combination, your garden starts protecting itself. Pests are also widely misunderstood. If there is an infestation, it's usually not the problem, it's a signal. It shows that the balance is broken. Using chemicals may seem like a solution, but it actually weakens the system further. The real solution is to invite beneficial life. Birds, ladybugs, other insects. They are your free workers. And then there is the water issue. Most people think more water is better, but most of it evaporates anyway. What really matters is delivering water to the right place, the root zone. There's an ancient method, a clay pot buried in the soil. You fill it with water, and the soil takes only what it needs. No waste, no excess, just balance. And perhaps the most critical topic, seeds. Many modern seeds today are designed for dependency. But traditional, heirloom seeds are adapted to their environment, more resilient and sustainable. When you start producing your own seeds, the system truly becomes yours. But here is an important truth. This does not happen overnight. Nature is not in a hurry, and neither should you be. Start with a small area today, improve it tomorrow. Add a little more each time. Eventually, you will notice, the soil changes, the plants become stronger, the system starts working on its own. One day, when you look at your garden, you won't just see plants, you will see a living system. Worms in the soil, birds above, a balanced ecosystem all around. And most importantly, a self-sufficient production. Eating something you grew yourself. This is not just about taste. It's about control. It's about freedom. Remember, The soil is not against you. It is simply waiting for you to understand it. If you give it life, it will give you abundance in return. If you want to build this system too, write in the comments where you are starting from. Let's learn together, let's grow together. Because this is not just gardening, this is reconnecting with nature.